So here we're trying to factorize this function f, and we're given a little bit of a hint, a bit of a starting point, by first looking at what f of 1 is. So what is f of 1? Well, if I put 1 into this function, I just get 1 plus 6 take 1 take 6, which is 0. So what does that tell me? Well, that tells me that f of 1 is equal to 0. So if I put x minus 1, that is going to be a factor. So I know that when I factorize f of x, and I'm looking to factorize it, I'm going to have x minus 1, x plus a, and x plus b. Okay, so if I can work out what a and b are now, then I've fully factorized this function. Let's have a think. Let's pick another one. Maybe I do f of 2. Okay, let's see where that gets me. So I get 8 plus 6 times 4 is 24. Take 2, take 6. And that's most definitely not going to be equal to 0. So I know that my x minus 2 wouldn't be a factor. What about f of minus 1? Maybe this one will help me. So I get minus 1 cubed, which is minus 1. I get positive 6. I get then plus 1, and I get take 6. So I see that that is equal to 0. So I now know that x plus 1 is a factor. So because I've found another factor now, I've got x minus 1, x plus 1, and now I just need to find this last guy b here. And how can I find that? Well, I know that when I expand this thing out, if I expand all of these terms here, my constants on the end, that has to be equal to this minus 6. So I know that minus 1 times positive 1 times b has to be equal to negative 6. Okay, and if you solve that equation, you see that b is equal to positive 6. So the factorized form for f of x is equal to x minus 1, x plus 1, and x plus 6.